India Today's next report is being played out right now. It's a ground report from Arispura sector along the international border on Pakistan's attempt to increase infiltration bid along the LOC. This is India Today exclusive.
Pakistani intelligence agency ISI has directed the Hizb Mujahideen chief Sayyid Salahuddin to kick up the violence in the Kashmir Valley after killing up Sabzar Butt and the Burhan Wani. Pakistan is worried that there should not be decline in the violence level in the Kashmir Valley. Recently, the ISI directed the Hizb Mujahideen chief Sayyid Salahuddin to visit all training camps in the POK and the Punjab area. Recently, he has visited the Mansehra and the Muzaffarabad campus Hizb Mujahideen, where they are taking continuously arms training. They have been told to assist the Hizb Mujahideen local commanders in the Kashmir Valley, and they will be given the command of the whole terrorism in the Kashmir Valley. But on international level, Pakistan will use these points that this is the local terrorism not assisted by the Pakistan. And recently there is a 20 to 30% increase the recruitment of the terrorism in POK area, and most of these people, those who are taking training in POK and the Mansehra, they are from the POK area and the Pakistani Punjab.
Now let's take you through the massive India Today impact as well, which has resulted in news citing around Pak agents operating in Kashmir. India Today sting operation had exposed separatist leaders who have been summoned now by the National Investigation Agency in the capital for questioning. We had shown in our sting operation how Bitta Karate, Ghazi Baba and Naeem Khan accepting the fact that money is coming from across the border to fuel unrest in the valley, and how they have accepted money to target schools and government institutions. Now they have already been grilled by NIA in Srinagar. They will now be called to Delhi for separate questioning. My colleague Ankit is joining us on the story. Ankit, even as you're looking at questioning of these leaders by NIA in the capital, what's the news that you're getting about Syed Ali Shah Gilani? Because last week we were also given to understand that he may be part of the questioning as well.
Well, that's right, he may be, and it still remains maybe. The NIA will be deciding on whether they would want to call Syed Ali Shah Gilani as well for the questioning. But the important thing here is that at the headquarters of the National Investigation Agency, all the three terrorists, in fact, all the three separatist leaders, those who have been funneling, currency, those who have been funneling the unrest in the valley in the name of representing the Kashmiris, are going to be questioned. It is Bitta Karate, Ghazi Baba and also Naeem Khan. All three of them, remember, were caught on India Today sting operation in which they very clearly were demanding money to create chaos, to fuel the fire that is burning the valley. Now, post that, the NIA not only has taken cognizance, they have also taken, they came to our office, they have taken the tapes of the sting operation. They went to Srinagar. 4 days, in fact, all these three suspects were interrogated, were investigated by the NIA, and today at this very headquarter where I am standing here in the national capital at around 12 to 12:30, all these three gentlemen would be coming here once again. What they have been asked to bring with them are their bank details and their property documents, because remember, they have been asking for money like 70 crore rupees that Bitta Karate asked for 6 months of unrest in the valley. So the NIA would now want to gather proof as far as their income is concerned and the kind of property that they have amassed, so that they have a solid case against all three of them. We are expecting them to come here at about 12:30. In fact, the NIA chief, Sharad Kumar, when he came in the morning, we spoke to him and he said off record that we'll be getting a briefing about whatever happened post the interrogation. So all eyes in possibly half an hour, 45 minutes from now, all three of them would be behind me at this headquarters of the National Investigation Agency.
We're tracking it very closely, Ankit. Thanks so much for joining us. But these are not gentlemen. These are Pak agents who have operated in Kashmir, talking about interest of Kashmir, but at the same time targeting school children and also school buildings. also targeting how government institutions should not function in the valley. Complete state paralysis, and they have been feeding off the unrest frenzy in the state. We'll tell you more about that. 12:30 is when they will be grilled by NIA, and it's just the beginning.